How to see archive stories on Facebook. So go ahead and open your Facebook application. In this homepage, click on the three lines here on the bottom right corner, and this will bring you to the menu page. From here, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Now, among these additional settings, click on Your Time on Facebook. This will basically show you your total time spent on Facebook, and in here, you can click on See Time. Now, proceed to Activity Log, and from here, click on Archive beside the Trash button. You will then be directed to this page, and once again, click on the Stories Archive here on top. You can now see your archive stories on Facebook. So that is how to see archive stories on Facebook. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.